During the fall, there's always tons of apple harvest festivals and there's cider everywhere. So you should definitely have a cider cocktail in your repertoire. So in goes our apple cider, and then we have, let's add our whiskey next. Adding 2 ounces, but you can add as much or as little as you like. Next, we have some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then our honey. I'm doing about a half an ounce for this one cocktail. That's like about a tablespoon. Boom. Lastly, a couple dashes of bitters. I'm using orange bitters here, but you can use whatever you have. Let's throw in our ice. Give it a good shake. Cool. All right, and we are serving it in this lovely glass with 1 large ice cube. Boom. And that's it. Your simple cider cocktail that is good any time of year, but especially during the fall. Okay, I've already had a lot of this drink because it's very delicious, as you can see, but I want to give you a closer look at it. It's perfectly balanced. You get the apple, you get the whiskey, you get all the ingredients, and it's the perfect celebration of fall. Cheers. Don't forget the garnish. It's part of the flavor. It's part of the taste. Make this at home.